Okay, hello. Um, I'm glad that you enjoyed the previous videos. I'm just going to make a video now to recap on one of the questions that I asked you. So it was to do with the perimeter and area of the rectangles that you could make with up to 12 squares. So I'm just going to do the examples with 12 squares. Okay, so I've got my 12 squares arranged in a big long line, and if I do this, okay, we know that the area is the number of 1 by 1 squares that are inside a shape, and you can see that I've got 12 of them, so area would be 12. Okay, the perimeter, remember, is the distance all the way around the outside of the shape. So the perimeter of this shape is, if I start here at this corner, I go 1, so that's 1, I go 12 there, this side is 1, and that side is 12. So I think the perimeter is 1 plus 12 plus 1 plus 12, which is 26. So now what I've done is I've rearranged my squares, and they're now in a 2 by 6 formation. Okay, so you can see that there are 2 columns and 6 rows, and that's why it's called a 2 by 6 rectangle. Okay, so get rid of that. Hopefully you will have noticed that the area doesn't change, because if you count the number of squares in this rectangle, you'll also see that there are 12. So the area is 12. Okay, now let's see what the perimeter of this shape is. So if I'm starting at this corner, I'm going to go 2 down, and 2 across, 6 down, 2 across, and 6 up. So the perimeter is going to be 2 plus 6 doubled, which is 16. Okay. Okay, so the last rectangle is, is a 3 by 4 rectangle, because you've got 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay. Apologies if the camera is shaking. I've got the thing balanced on a book so that you can get a good view of it. So by now it will come as no surprise to you that the number of squares in this rectangle is also 12. Okay, so the area is 12 because you've got 3 there and 4 there, and the area is 3 lots of 4, which is 12. Okay, so let's look at the perimeter of this one. If I start in this corner and I go across 3, and then I go down 4, and then I go across 3, and I go up 4, then the perimeter is 3 plus 4, so I'm halfway round, and then I double that, which is 14. So hopefully you got all those areas and perimeters when you did it for yourself.